Welcome back, comrade. We've been expecting you. In this video you'll learn how to create a stereo pair using two Phantom reactors. Please verify both speakers are plugged into the mains. If the light indicators are flashing at this point, wait for them to turn solid. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded the Devialet app. You'll need it to complete your operation. You're all clear. Now connect your smartphone or tablet to your Wi-Fi network, launch the Devialet app, and wait our instructions. If one of your reactors is already set up, tap the settings icon to the top left of the home screen. Select Add a new product and we will take you through the rest. Relationships status. In a couple. You've never felt this way before.